Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So to get the regular job notifications, I started one Telegram group guys. So the interested candidates may join in that group and the link I kept in the description box of this video. And coming to the present content here, we are going to see the PhD admission notifications. Approximately the 1000 plus vacant seats are there from the 4 government colleges. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, an academy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. I started one Facebook account guys, and I provided this link in the description box of this video, so please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also, here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. Now while coming to the present content of the video, here from the Still Outlook website we got the 2 NITs and 2 central universities where the PhD admission January 2021 is open, and the online test, okay, that means you need not to go physically there. So there are 2 NITs and the 2 central universities, okay, the names you can see here, okay, and here in the 2 NITs, institutional fellowships are available for the full-time regular students. And the list of institutes, NIT Patna, the closing date is 18th Jan 2021. And while coming to the Manipur University, the closing date is 20th Jan 2021. Tejpur University, it is a central university. Okay, Manipur and Tejpur, both these two are central universities. 28th Jan 2021 and NIT Nagaland, 30th Jan 2021. Okay. So coming to the Tejpur University, the eligible candidate should have the UGC NET JRF or CSIR UGC NET JRF, DBT JRF, ICAR NET and ICMR JRF and the GATE. The research areas are business administration, civil engineering, computer science and engineering, cultural studies, electrical engineering, electronics and communication engineering, environmental science, mechanical engineering, molecular biology and the biotechnology, physics and the sociology. And coming to the Manipur University, here the total 19 subjects, from the 19 subjects the PhD admissions are announced. So you can check down the research areas here. And the next one is the NIT Patna. So here the full-time and part-time, both these two PhD programs are available guys. Okay. So number of vacant seats are 74 from the 10 departments. And coming to the NIT Nagaland, you can check down here the full-time or part-time PhD program. Okay. So applications are invited from the qualified candidates, and the institution fellowship is also available. And the key dates, the closing date is 30th January 2021. Okay, so to get the in details regarding these notifications, please visit the official websites of these institutes. Okay, anyhow, in my upcoming videos, I will do the in detail notification regarding the each and every university. Okay, so coming to the Tejpur University, I already did. Okay, you may check down. And to get the more notifications, please subscribe my channel and then tap the bell icon and share this information or video to your friends or colleagues. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwani Kumar, an academy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you,
So how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is Ashwini, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these two courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions. And all the best, guys. Thank you very much.